Hello and welcome back to Maths by Miss B. In this video we're going to be looking at adding and subtracting with mixed numbers. Now numbers are mixed when they consist of a whole number, such as this one, and a fraction. Okay, now you've got to learn how to do some calculations with mixed numbers as well as the ordinary fractions. Now, in order to start on these, the first thing that you need to do is to change each mixed number into a fraction, into an improper fraction, or some people might just call it top-heavy fraction. So let's just do that first. Okay. So 3 1/5, 3 whole ones and 1/5. That is the same as if you multiply 5, which is the denominator, times that by the whole number, which is 3, and then add the numerator. So 5 times 3 is 15, add 1 is 16. So 3 whole ones and a fifth is same as saying 16/5. Let's just do the same with the other side. We've got 1 whole 1 and 2/3. Starting with the denominator, we'll start with the 3, we'll multiply it by the whole value, and then we'll add on the numerator. So 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5. So on this side we've got 5/3. Okay, it's just another way of writing the fractions really. Okay, so, and then we do what we did in the earlier video. If you remember, we looked at adding and subtracting with different denominators. Then the concept is the same. So at this stage we're going to be looking for a lowest common, or the lowest common multiple of 3 and 5. So that would be 15, because when you look at the 5 times table and the 3 times table, you will see 15 in both. You will see other values as well, but it's always best to go for the lowest one. And then you say to yourself, what do I need to do to the 5 to make 15? What's the connection there? And the connection there is times it by 3. Well, if you multiply the numerator by the same amount, so 16 times 3 is 48. Same on the other side. What do we have to do to 3 to make 15? We are multiplying that by 5, and if you multiply the numerator by 5, you get 25. Okay, and then once that's done, we have common denominators now. We get to keep those, and all you need to then do is add the numerators. So 48 plus 25 will give 73. Now this is what you call an improper fraction. An improper fraction when the top number is bigger than the bottom number. So what we need to do is revert it back to a mixed number. You need to work out how many 15s you can make out of 73. Well, if it helps, just write it out. 15, 30, 45, 60, and then the next one's 75. Well, the cut-off point's there. Okay, so we can make 4 whole 15s out of 73. Then there's a remainder of 13. And then you can write that over the denominator. So there's your answer, 14 whole ones and 13 15ths. Okay, just going to move this out the way to just make some room for the next one. Just have a quick look at the next one too. This time we're subtracting, again involving mixed numbers. So the first idea is to turn each mixed number into an improper fraction. An improper fraction is where the top number is larger than the bottom number, or the numerator is bigger than the bottom number. Okay, so here we're going to be doing 4 times the 2 and then add the 1. 4 times the 2 and then add the 1, which gives 9, and that's going to be 9/4. Don't forget to write it over the denominator, take away. And same on the other side, you've got 5 multiplied by 1, which is 5, and then add the 2. So that's going to be 5 multiplied by 1, add the 2. That gives 7. That's going to be 7/5. And then, of course, now that you've got normal looking fractions, you look at the denominators and they're different. When the denominators are different, you need to make them the same. So look for a lowest common multiple. 4 times table, look at the 5 times table, you'll see 20. So 20 is the lowest common multiple here, so you can write 20 at the bottom. And then you go through the process once again. What do we have to do to 4 to make 20? We have to times it by 5. Well, multiply the numerator by 5 as well. So 9 times 5 is 45. And then on this side, what are we doing to 5 to make 20? We're timesing it by 4, then multiply the numerator by 4, which gives you 28. Okay, got the common denominators? All we need to now do is subtract the numerator. So 45 take away 28 will give 17. So that's going to be 17/20. Okay, well, once again, hope this helps. Okay, all the best. See you in the next video.